Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm just going to talk about sound crackling noise and popping noise in Windows 11. So I was having like similar thing happening in my game. So whenever I was playing Valorant, I was having some crackling popping of noise. So what I did, you can also try that if that fixed for you. So Intel Smart Sound Technology Bus. So you can just find it under Device Manager and System Devices. So that somehow got updated automatically to a different version. So it got updated to 10.29.9467. So as soon as these three things got updated, I was having weird issues. So I just rolled out the driver versions for three of them and then it fixed for me. So you can just check it out if you're facing similar thing. Roll out the drivers for these Intel Smart Sound technology and see if it's fixed for you. All right, cheers, bye.